Get crazy.
No, back up there. I agree.
I don't know if you
I like
can
how
see
we're
that.
actually eating popcorn. Instead of helping, it's like we're at the movies.
I think I'm gonna take it back just a little bit.
This is way better than a movie.
Maybe it was the other beehive.
A horror movie. Oh, wait, Killer bees.
I'm not allergic to bees, so I'm not too concerned.
I'm not sure. I haven't heard anything back. How do you make them?
He's gonna cut the cherry tree tree.
You guys ready?
I think that's it. Now what happens is the queen is in there and they follow.
So it's
the
about queen right. I bet
Can you
right
see her?
there.
See her?
No, but I see a clump.
A dripping, oozing clump of bees.
Give us another good shake just in case.
Oh, I thought you were cutting off the top.
I was going to, but then
Not necessary.
I didn't want to.
These are very friendly bees. Oh my goodness.
Isn't that cool? And this was like half the size of the other one.
Really?
Look at the top. It looks like water splashing with their wings. They're
Yeah.
just all going.
Hey, you get closer.
It's cool when you see them sit outside the entrance and they're cooling it down.
Yeah, to like
That's-
fan the entrance.
Wow, really?
You'll see it. You probably they might be doing it now.
I saw a couple different looking bees at the entrance of the hive. They were like bigger and they had long legs.
There are different types of bees in one
Drones.
hive.
There's
There's
drones.
drones, there's workers. Queen.
Are the drones piloted by some 19-year-old kid in Arizona?
Look at that one's loaded with pollen.
I think maybe the queen ended up in the bottom
Of
of
what?
the bucket. Did she go in there, or is she on the side here where everybody
Well,
is?
eventually they're gonna tell her, like, hey, this is actually a pretty good home site. Like, there's honey in here. It smells like bees. And even if she didn't get